Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of door security bars. Whether you're looking to secure your home, apartment, or even your hotel room while traveling, these bars provide an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best door security bars on the market, analyzing their build quality, performance, ease of use, and overall value. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Keplerend Door Stoppers Security Bar 2-Pack. This product emphasizes simplicity and versatility, with adjustable lengths ranging from 29 to 45 inches, making it suitable for a variety of doors, including sliding glass doors, windows, and patio doors. One standout feature is its ability to withstand a remarkable 550 pounds of pressure, providing an extra layer of security for your home or apartment. It also features a large rubber pad that prevents floor damage while ensuring a sturdy grip during use. When it comes to design, the Keplerend Security Bar is crafted from high-grade iron, giving it a solid and heavy-duty feel. The white modern finish adds a clean, minimalist aesthetic, blending well with most home interiors. It's also lightweight enough to be portable, making it a good choice for travelers who want additional security in hotel rooms. Installation is a breeze. Just prop it under your doorknob, tighten it, and you're good to go. While this product offers impressive strength and stability, it's not without its limitations. Its shorter adjustable range, compared to some competitors, may not fit all door types, and its weight, although manageable, is slightly higher than other options. Still, at a 4.4-star rating from over 2,000 reviews, this is a dependable option for those seeking robust protection. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize raw strength and a user-friendly design. At number 3, we have the Brinks Door Security Bar, a product from one of the most trusted names in home security. This security bar is made from heavy-duty 20-gauge steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's adjustable between 25 and 43 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of doors, from hinged to sliding patio doors. The compact design is travel-friendly, making it an excellent choice for dorm rooms, apartments, and hotels. A standout feature of the Brinks bar is its protective design. The non-marring top yoke and pivoting padded foot prevent damage to your floors while maintaining a firm grip. This means you get excellent stability without leaving scratches or scuffs on your surfaces. Plus, the tool-free installation process makes it incredibly user-friendly. Simply prop it under the doorknob or lever, and you're all set. On the downside, the Brinks bar is slightly less pressure-resistant than some of its competitors, handling up to around 400 pounds. Additionally, its silver finish may not blend as seamlessly with all interior styles. That said, with a 4.6-star rating from over 8,500 reviews, it's clear that this product strikes an impressive balance between quality, portability, and ease of use. It's ideal for those who value trusted brand reliability and a hassle-free setup. At number 2, we have the SecurityMan 2-in-1 Door Security Bar. This versatile product offers dual functionality, working as both a door stopper for hinged doors and a lock bar for sliding doors and windows. With interchangeable caps, it's easy to switch between modes, making it a versatile solution for various security needs. The adjustable length of 18.25 to 47.5 inches ensures compatibility with most door types, while the heavy-duty iron construction allows it to withstand up to 400 pounds of force. One of the key highlights of the SecurityMan bar is its angled rubber bottom, which provides a strong brace against the floor without causing any scratches. This makes it suitable for all floor types, from hardwood to tile. The setup process is straightforward. Just prop it under your doorknob or fit it in your sliding door tracks. Its portability also makes it a fantastic option for travelers who want extra security in hotels or vacation rentals. While this product excels in versatility and ease of use, its maximum pressure resistance is slightly lower than some competitors. Additionally, the rubber finish, while effective at preventing scratches, may require careful handling to avoid wear over time. With a 4.5-star rating from over 24,000 reviews, the Securityman 2-in-1 bar is a reliable and adaptable choice for home and travel security. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the 2-pack Rear-Sham Door Security Bar. This product stands out for its impressive strength and innovative design. With an adjustable length of 17.5 to 46 inches, it's compatible with a wide variety of doors, including sliding doors. The 1.57-inch diameter iron bar can withstand up to a staggering 400 pounds of pressure, making it one of the most durable options on the market. The Rear-Sham bar features a complete material upgrade, enhancing both its durability and robustness. Its modern white finish gives it a sleek, clean look that blends seamlessly with most home decors. The no-installation design makes it incredibly easy to use. Just unpack, adjust, and secure. Plus, the portable nature of this product allows you to use it in apartments, hotels, or even outdoor gates. Backed by a 20-month after-sales warranty, the Rear-Sham bar ensures you're covered for the long haul. The only notable downside is that its weight, at nearly 6 pounds, might be slightly cumbersome for some users. However, with a 4.6-star rating from over 2,000 reviews and a bestseller rank in gate locks, it's clear that the Rear-Sham Door Security Bar is a top-tier option for those who demand maximum security and convenience. Ideal for both home and travel, this product is the ultimate choice for peace of mind. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best door security bar for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.